Alright, here we have some Dollar General mini booster packs. These boxes usually include 2 dollar store booster packs as well as a rare card. And here we see it says it has a chance at the original base card of Charizard, Blastoise, Bulbasaur, Venusaur, and more. That means we got a chance at finding a vintage pack. Finding an original vintage is 1 out of 3,000 of these cards. However, if we get a foil or rare, that's 1 out of 25. And getting a promo is 1 out of 6. I've only ever gotten 1 promo so far. But not only do we have 1 of these, we have 6 of these. So I'm going to be opening these up, and we'll see what we get. Okay. So right off the bat, I could see our card is not an original base set booster, or base set card, but it's from what looks to be, oh man, the name eludes me, but it's Thunder something. Well, let's see. We got Evolutions XY booster packs here. Let's see what we get out of these. And you know how it goes. Always no actual booster or trading card. Code card. Here we go. And always 1 in the middle. And we start off with Tangela, Blastoise Spirit Link, and a Vulpix. Alright, next pack. Let's see what we get. No actual booster card. Or trading card, again. Oh my god, code card. There we go. And we start off with Rattata, Switch, and another Vulpix. Alright, next pack. Let's see what we get. Lost Thunder. That was the pack that I'm thinking of. This is also from Lost Thunder. The symbol at the bottom here. That's from Lost Thunder. That's a set that came out last year in 2019. So let's see what we get in these card packs. No actual code card. 1 from the middle. And we got Water Energy. Surfing Pikachu. Okay, we got a booster, I mean, we got a secret rare. And a Growlithe. So this is our secret rare. I don't actually have this card yet, but it's a really cute card. 111 out of 108. So that's a secret rare. It means it's not in the 108 cards. I mean, despite it being a secret rare, it's not all that pricey. I could say that it's probably at least $2. Though I would have to double check to be sure. And we got Drowsy, Slowbro Spirit Link, and a Beedrill. Okay, not too bad. Oh, this one's turned around. Maybe it's something special. This is an XY Evolutions card. It's not base set, otherwise it would say from 1990 something. 1998, 1995. Not 100% sure when base set came out. I would have to double check again. But let's see. We got Mega Charizard and Mega Venusaur here. Let's start with Mega Venusaur. No actual code card, so that goes away. Middle card. And we have Pikachu, Professor Oak's Hint, and a Staryu. Pikachu is really nice. I know that back in the base set, I think, they used to have a Red Cheeks Pikachu, which is actually more rare than the regular Pikachu. I don't know how they came upon that, but it's a really interesting find, to say none the least. Alright, middle from the front, or middle from the, I guess just middle. Vulpix, Haunter, and Arcanine. Very nice. Alright, next pack. And ooh, we got a holographic card. Not only that, I want to say it's a reverse holo. Or is it a promo card? Oh, that's definitely a promo card. So that's 1 out of 6. We got something interesting. This is a promo card. I'm not sure what set it looks like from Forbidden Light. And I would not know which set this, or which promotional box this would have come from, but still nice to have something interesting, I guess. We got 2 Mega Venusaur packs. Let's see what we get. No actual booster or code card. Middle from to the back. Magnemite, Switch, and a reverse holo Machoke. Very nice. Reverse holos are typically a little better than regular cards, but I would love to get a holographic card. I've only got 2 holographic cards from XY Evolutions, and that's super hard to get, like any kind of holographic that isn't a reverse holographic. We have a Voltorb, Maintenance, and a Poliwag. I do have to admit, though, I got 3, maybe 4 EX cards, and those came around like later days of Pokemon. I want to say in like the 2000s. Alright, looks like we have another promo card here. It's Ash's Pikachu. Very nice. That's a good promo. Can go for $2, I think, still. And we got a Raichu and Mega Charizard card pack. Alright, let's see what we get. And like I said, no code card. Middle to the back. Oh, we got something good, I think. We got a Nidoran, a Charizard Spirit Link, and a Blastoise EX. Like I said, these came out sometime later in the cards history, because these EX cards didn't exist back in the base set days. EX cards were fairly new and recent. Okay. No code card per usual. Oh. And we go from middle to the back. And we have a Weedle, double colorless energy, and a Doduo. Very nice. And then we come to our last pack of booster packs, mini booster packs. Oh snap, we got a card that's backwards, so even I don't know what it is. And let's see what it is. We have a Graveler. Not too bad. Not familiar with this set yet. I'm not very memorable when it comes to which set symbol is. No code card. Middle to the back. And we start with Electabuzz, Machoke, and a Vulpix. And with our very last pack, let's see what we can get. And we start with Growlithe, Haunter, and Machop. Alright, let me sleeve up the good cards that we got out of these sets. Oh. Could have sleeved these up prior, but I didn't get them all set yet. And we have the promo card, Delinquent Trainer card, Ash's Pikachu from the I Choose You Pokemon movie, promo card, the Surfing Pikachu Secret Rare, and our Blastoise EX. And those are our good cards out of this set.